Good morning and welcome to 7 at 7, your daily news capsule to get you clued in for the day. It's Monday, the 4th of November. I'm your host, Anirban Chaudhary. Starting as usual with global news, the Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rates again, potentially in response to signs of economic cooling. But its path is clouded by uncertainty over upcoming election outcomes and economic volatility. A cut would mark a pivot towards supporting growth amid pressures on consumer spending and investment. The rate cut size and timing will likely hinge on post-election economic data, including GDP growth and employment figures. In September 2024, the Federal Reserve made a significant 50 basis point rate cut, bringing its target range to 4.75 to 5%. This move marked the Fed's first rate reduction since it raised them in 2022 to combat inflation. On to tech. OpenAI has a formidable rival. G42, a tech company based in Abu Dhabi and backed by the UAE's Mubadala Sovereign Wealth Fund, is emerging as a major player in the AI space, particularly in the Middle East. The company recently secured a $1.5 billion investment from Microsoft. It has plans to leverage Microsoft's Azure cloud for AI projects, including a powerful Arabic large language model designed to compete with systems like OpenAI's ChatGPT. G42 is developing AI across industries such as healthcare, finance, energy, and public services to boost regional adoption of advanced AI technologies. G42 had previously been scrutinized for its ties with Chinese tech firms. Later, it cut those ties to align with US technology standards and gain access to American resources. On to India now. The country's economic growth is expected to moderate this quarter due to slowed consumption and heavy monsoon rains. Economists at an ET poll projected about a 6.8% increase year-on-year. This is a slight dip from earlier forecasts, reflecting short-term pressures like inflation and global market challenges. However, economic momentum is projected to pick up through the rest of the fiscal year. The RBI has also adjusted its forecast to 7% for the current quarter. Continued investments in consumer demand in upcoming festive and wedding seasons are expected to support growth. Overall, the economists said that India remains on track for stable long-term growth despite temporary setbacks. India's Food Safety and Standards Authority, or FSSAI, has introduced stricter rules on antibiotic residues in food products like meat, milk, and eggs. This move addresses the growing public health threat of antimicrobial resistance, where overuse of antibiotics can lead to drug-resistant superbugs. The new guidelines limit permissible levels of certain drugs in food and prohibits antibiotics in some food items, such as honey. By controlling antibiotics at the production level, India hopes to curb resistance rates and improve consumer health. India's Railway Ministry is developing a super app that will consolidate multiple railway services, from ticketing to real-time updates, into one unified platform. This app aims to streamline user experience, enabling passengers to access everything from reservations to food delivery on their journey. The initiative seeks to reduce the need for multiple apps, making rail travel easier and more efficient. Once launched, this could be a game changer for India's vast railway network. Now, foreign portfolio investors, or FPIs, have poured substantial funds into India's IPOs and QIPs, marking in fact their highest investment since 2021. In October, FPIs invested a net of $2.36 billion, showing confidence in India's primary markets amid global volatility. This inflow comes at a time when secondary market investments are slowing, indicating a shift in focus towards promising public offerings. Arcelor Mittal Nippon Steel is set to launch a massive integrated steel project in Andhra Pradesh with a projected total investment of 1.4 lakh crore rupees, targeting an annual capacity of 17.8 million tons. The project, located in Anakapalli district, will unfold in two phases. The facility aims to enhance India's manufacturing with a variety of flat steel products, including value-added steel for the automotive sector. AMNS is also exploring green steel technologies for this project to align with environmental standards. That's it for today. Don't forget to grab your copy of The Economic Times for more news and analysis. This is your host Anirban Chaudhary signing off. Have a good week.